today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common app issues on your device. Whether you're experiencing crashes, freezes, or other frustrating glitches, these steps will guide you through each action you need to take to get your app running smoothly again. Let's start with the first step, which is often the simplest yet surprisingly effective: restarting both your app and device. Many minor technical hiccups can be resolved merely by closing out of the app completely and then rebooting your device. When an app isn't working as expected, temporary issues within both the app and the device memory can usually be cleared up by restarting. Gently closing the app and powering off your device gives everything a fresh start and often restores proper functionality. The next important step is to clear the app cache and ensure it's updated. Cache data can accumulate over time and may eventually interfere with the app's operation. You can usually find the option to clear this cache in the app settings on your device. Another crucial point here is to check for any available updates for the app. Developers frequently release updates to fix known bugs or performance issues. Keeping your app up to date ensures that it has all the latest enhancements and patches required for optimal operation. If your app still isn't functioning correctly after restarting and clearing the cache, it may be time to take more drastic action by reinstalling the app. Uninstalling and then reinstalling can help you achieve a clean slate by erasing potentially corrupted files that might be causing problems. Before doing this, make sure to remember your login credentials or any important data, as reinstalling might remove saved information in the app. Let's not forget one quite common issue that might be hampering your app's performance: your internet connection. If your app relies on the internet, ensure that your connection is stable and strong. Try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see which provides a better connection, or resets your internet modem if needed. Finally, if you followed all these steps and the issue persists, contacting support can provide you with more specialized help. Most apps have a support team that can give more detailed troubleshooting guidance or escalate the problem if it's more widespread. Remember to provide them with as much detail as possible, such as what steps you've already tried. This information can help them pinpoint the issue more effectively and provide a quicker resolution. Taking these steps not only helps you resolve issues more efficiently, but also empowers you with the know-how to handle similar problems in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope your app is back to running smoothly.